Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at formatting Google Doc. Yes, formatting Google Doc. So we're going to be looking at several things that you can actually do in Google Doc. Alright, so the first thing that we want to look at is how to select the blank. Yes, then we're going to look at copy and paste paragraph in the doc. So we're going to actually get a paragraph from somewhere else and paste it into doc and see exactly how to that look into Google Doc. Because sometimes we paste from the internet to Microsoft Word, but sometimes we're not too sure how it might look in the Google Doc and all of that. Alright, so we're going to change the font size. Then we're also going to insert table to the page. So inserting the table is going to be slightly different from that of the Microsoft Word. Alright, so we're going to insert photo, and this one is going to be unique. Alright, I can also add column. We're going to add some column to the page, just the same. Right, like you have, say you have one column, you have two column, you have three column, you have column to the left, you have column to the right. Since you have, you see that in the Microsoft Word, I'm going to show you put in this here. Right, so you're going to rename the page itself, and then you're going to add a pie chart. So these are what we're going to be looking at so far. Alright, so let us get started right here. So if you notice, it says first thing, it says select a blank. So this itself is a blank doc itself. You click. Now this itself is our blank doc right here. Right, this is our blank doc right here. Now that's, if you notice these over here, you can actually click right here. You notice right here, you can actually delete these stuff right here, just the same. Right, if you see this come up, right, if you notice, so you can actually do that just the same. Right, and just like that. We're going to look at information now again. Right, so if you notice information right there, so you must copy and paste. Alright, so we're going to be searching for something. Alright, so this is it for some paragraph right here. So this is it is Microsoft Word. So we're going to copy, right, by block all of these. We're going to copy it, right click, and we're going to copy. We're going to paste this now, this into doc. Alright, so we're going to right click right here into doc. This is word paste. We're going to click on word paste. Alright, so notice that exactly how it look in doc right here. Yes, that's what it look in doc right here. Alright, so the next information, so that you must change the font size. Yes, very important. We're going to change the font size. Alright, so notice you have more one paragraph, so we're going to block the first paragraph right here. So we're going to change the font size. Notice right here it's a normal text. Notice, so this is the font size right here. Notice, actually at that level, if I come right here and I click, you notice it increase. If I come right here, actually decrease it, just the same. If I wanted to change the font like that, you notice I can come like this. You notice the font change. If I come like this right here, I can actually come right down here to impact. You notice change just the same. I come, I can put font, you notice, just like that. Click and can put exactly what I really want. Yeah, I can actually scroll up. Notice, yes. So when you look at this information now again, right, what is your most insert table right here? So must insert table. Alright, so we're going to insert the table now. Alright, so very important. Alright, so we're going to insert it right down at the bottom section right here. So I want to click on the red insert up here. I notice this is surface table. Alright, so right here, notice one. So 2, if you notice right now, you keep on changing. If I come like this, I can come across, I can come down, just like that, and I can click. Once I click, alright, let me scroll up so that I can see what's going on. Notice, so this is my table. Here I can actually type number in the table, go across, just the same. I can press the left arrow, go across. I can type something like that, I can go down. With left arrow, I can type something in the just the same my table. Alright, so the next instructions, I must insert a photo. Alright, so I'm going to insert the photo now. Alright, I want to come right up here. Right up here, that's it, insert. And if I click on insert, I'm going to come right to that said image, come across. You notice that I said I can get it via link, you can find the camera. You can get it from photo. I can also get it from drive. You can also search the web. but I want it from the computer, so I'm going to click upload from computer. Now when I click upload from the computer, you see exactly take me directly right here. So I want to click on the desktop. So this is for the picture that I want to click on it. Notice highlight, you notice right down here you have cancel, you have open. I'm going to click on that. If you notice, this is for the photo, that's how big it is. Alright, let me scroll over a little bit. Just going to click on it, put the cursor at the edge. You notice, look, arrow, okay, to your right, like this, size it down small. But if you notice right here, that show right here, so you can add an emoji reaction. Notice here, you can add a comment to the photo, right? If you notice right here, you can add image option, and right here, wrap text. You notice if you click it, you notice it in font here, you notice it behind, and click on this behind. So if you notice your comment, I can drop it anywhere I want it to drop it. I can't even carry it up top, put it in the paragraph. Just the same. Alright, let me take time and scroll up. Right, scroll up with it. Let me scroll up. Scroll up with it. Alright, let me redo it a bit. Alright, good. Let me take my good time and go up with it. So far, good. So if I come right up here, this is how it look. This is how it look right here. Right. So if I click back on it and I come like this, right, we notice right in font text right here. So if I put in font text, you notice it text actually come in front of the word. If I go back and I click, you notice right here, you notice the break text, right, as wrap text. You notice if I click wrap text, you notice it actually position directly in the middle of the paragraph. You can literally do this in Microsoft Word just to see. Right, and if I come like that, get it up like that, so notice all the words fit around just the same. Alright, for the next instruction right here, so rename the page. Alright, so we're going to rename the page now. Notice right up here, we're going to click. You notice it's a video provider helpful way. Alright, but what I wanted to do, alright, just like that, and then I press enter right here. So next thing I wanted to do, definitely I'm going to insert a pie chart. So we're going to insert that pie chart. Now we're going to click on the word insert. You notice this is surface chart. Well, let me get some space first. Put it, I want to put it right here. So I want to click on insert. You notice this is chart itself. Notice this surface pie. So I want to click on it. Notice this itself right here, huge. What you want to look smaller, we can click on that. You can put the cursor right at the end. We can actually carry team. If you notice right here, we have the same option right here. You can wrap. Notice, and if I come like that, I can actually drop it anywhere I want to drop it. Just the same. You can actually carry team. Just the same. Alright. So very important here. So that's exactly what we actually looked at a while ago, or we can actually do all of these stuff right here in Google Docs. Alright, so hope you learned something from this particular video here. So remember, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.